Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I want to share a new product that is currently available on Amazon from Kellofaplan. They are work planners. There's three different versions of this planner that you can purchase. Well, three different color versions that you can get. There is the one that I have here, and there's also going to be a black and a pink one. So if you're interested in purchasing this, I will have the link down in my description, my affiliate link down in my description. And you can pick this up from Amazon and get it by tomorrow from what I'm seeing. I have Prime, so I could, if I place the order today, I could get it tomorrow. And it is $25 for this planner. It comes in a really cute box, so love that. It says Kellofaplan on the front. And let's get into the planner. So this is an A5, yeah, an A5 planner, and it is bound like a book. Really pretty. I love this color, this brown color. Okay, so here is the planner. Like I said, it's an A5. It is 90-pound paper, and it is a work planner. So I'm excited for this because I could take this to work and try it out. I always use a planner at work, and I love things that look a little bit more professional for where I work. I don't have to be super professional there, but I like that kind of aesthetic when I'm at work, like these nice work vibes basically. And I love that it says work on the front. Very nice, very simple. And then it is brown. It is a soft bound kind of book, which I like that too. So it's not super, it's not like hard, but it's got the sturdiness of these cover. So it says work on the front. So let's see what's inside and flip through this. It says build a happy life you are proud to live on the front, or the inside page. And then here it has a yearly overview, so you can write some important things going on, maybe future planning for the work, your work related stuff. And you know, I was also thinking maybe I could use this for my work, for my business. Once I flip through it, then I'll know that. Okay, next we have vacation paid time off tracker, week dates, hours worked, PTO used, PTO accrued, and remaining balance. If you've never purchased a Kellofaplan planner before, just know that she has very thorough planners when it comes to all the sheets and different pages in here. I feel like she really puts a lot of thought into what she wants to put in the planner when it comes to these pages. So yeah, lots of places for you to use. I feel like she kind of covers the bases on what you might need in a planner. Okay, so then we have vacation paid time off tracker. So week dates, hours worked, PTO used, PTO accrued, and remaining balance. Important contacts. So you have a place to put name, email, number, and notes. You get a few of those. Password tracker. If you saw what I use at work for my password tracker, because I do use a paper version, because everybody's always asking me, what's the password of this? What's the password of that? Like the password to the Wi-Fi's and stuff. So, because we have two Wi-Fi passwords. So I have a part in my planner. It's very not nice. I have a lot of sticky notes with passwords and stuff, but this is a nice place to put passwords, a little bit more organized. So we have website, email, password, and notes. So you get 2 pages of those. We have monthly overview, important dates, monthly goals, top priorities, checklist, a little habit tracker. How cute. So you have Sunday through Saturday tracker here, like a regular calendar, and then notes. Okay, then you have the monthly section. So in here, we don't have tabs or anything like that, but you could always add tabs in if you need. Also, there is this little ribbon thing, so you can mark your page wherever you leave off. Okay, so we have an undated monthly here for you to date, very neutral. And then you have this month little dot grid on the side. Some note paper here, and then you have the weekly plans. So you have a Monday section. I feel like this actually might be good for my shop, because my work planner, I need a little bit more room, but I feel like this will be good for my daily to-dos for the week in my shop. So I like that we have the days on the side here, Monday through Sunday. They're all the same size. I like that too, because I feel like sometimes the weekend gets a little shortened, but I tend to do a little bit more on the weekend when it comes to my home work stuff. We have top 3 this week, next week, and notes section here. And then up here you have a place where you can circle the month and the date. And those are the weekly pages. It's undated, so that way you can use it whenever you need. Maybe you have a busier week and you need a little bit more to keep on task, so you could, you know, use this on and off whenever you can. You have a monthly recap section here. So this is the whole month section, is this part right here is a whole month. Actually, yeah, from here to here is the whole month. So if you wanted to buy those little tabs and stick them on here, you would just have to put them here, like one here and then the next one started here. Okay, so I have monthly recap, highlights, reflecting on goals, next month, reminders and notes, and then you have monthly overview, important dates. Oh, sorry, this is where the new month starts. Sorry, not here. This is where the new month starts. So this is where the month ends, and then you could put a new tab here for if you are in, well, we're in, what are we in, May? So the May, that would be May, and this would be June section. So you have the important dates, top priorities, monthly goals. Again, same thing that we just flipped through. So same weeklies, same plans, and all of that. And then you get the monthly. Okay, so it looks like that is going to be the whole planner. I think, is this 12 months? Yes, this is a 12-month planner. So you'll be able to use this. Start it now if you want to, or wait till next month to start. Whenever you want to start it, you can start it immediately, and then it will last you for a whole year. And like I said, there are 2 other versions of this planner. Oh, it's got the little Kellofaplan logo on the back. So cute. There are 2 other color versions of this planner. There is a black version, and then there's a pretty pink one. I just really love this brown one, and then the different tones of the brown that you can kind of see. It's so pretty, and I like how flexible it is. Okay, so that is the planner that I wanted to share. Just wanted to share that this is currently available. It's really cool because Kellofaplan has some items available that are, I think they've been exclusive to Amazon. So love seeing that, because that's really, really cool that she is making product exclusively for that site. So if you're interested in purchasing, I'll have my link down in the description. It's a really nice planner and really good quality paper. If you haven't had a Kellofaplan planner, paper quality is always top notch. So love seeing that. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.